Hi sweet friends. I'm actually going to show you my new vacuum cleaner. I actually ordered it from Tineco and it's a Go Pet, so that'll be an extra bonus. But I've always wanted a nice cordless vacuum, so here's what it looks like. It was charging on the wall here. I'm going to actually put this in my laundry room because it has a nice holder and all of that. So it came with the holder and a couple of like extensions and tools. So this will be nice for crevices. I've got this one for probably cleaning up stairs and the couch and stuff, but it has a little brush on it, which is cool. So it came with that, and it also came with the plug-in charger, which is right here. And so I will definitely put this in my laundry room for charging. But check it out. How beautiful. Looks like the on and off is right here. This piece actually comes off for your handheld part of it. So you would like undo it right here. Would be your handheld right here, which is going to be so nice. And you know, and then your tools will fit on that as well. But yeah, I'm excited to use this today. I'm not sponsored, by the way, but I've always wanted one of these, and I'll let you know how it works. I've got a lot of vacuuming to catch up on. So I thought I'd do a little vacuuming in my bedroom and see how this works in here. Alright guys, I'm pretty pleased with that. It's got some really good suction, and it's just really convenient because it's cordless, and to get under the bed was nice. I'll do that a little bit more when I spring clean, but yeah, it actually left nice little vacuum marks in here, which I don't even get with my normal vacuum. So I think I'm gonna love it. It seemed to pick up really well. So I'll make sure I have this product linked down below for you if you're interested. I think the price for me was around $200. just check the sales. They start at $2.50 plus, but you can catch some really good sales right now. But I will link the one I got. I actually got mine through Home Depot. And again, I'm not sponsored, but I really do love this product. So I highly recommend it. And let's get on to today's cleaning. All right, guys, so let me turn some more lights on in here. Okay, I've got some decluttering pickup to do. I am completely done now with my upstairs declutter, and it feels wonderful. But this is all that I've collected. I want to go through everything and make sure I don't want anything. I did rethink one item, and I'll show you what that is once I get to it. But yeah, this is my old vacuum. It probably just needs kind of some maintenance, but I didn't feel like doing that. So I'm gonna have my husband look at that, and I'll put it downstairs for use. But look at all this stuff I need to go through and make sure that I don't want it, which I'm pretty sure it's all going. So I will take you through this, and we'll go through the declutter, and I'll show you what I'm giving away and what I'm throwing away. So stay tuned. These are canning lids that I don't want anymore, so those are definitely going. These are the small mouth canning jars that I didn't want, so I just have a few of those. A flat sheet in blue. This was a part of our set, but we don't use the flat sheet. We just like the fitted and the pillowcases. So, brand new for someone. A set of measuring spoons that I don't use anymore. I have so many, so I'm gonna get rid of those. An old mixer works great, I just don't use it. Some old mixing bowls. They're not in too bad a shape, but I figure if somebody goes camping or they want to use these for their dog bowls, these will be great. This was actually for, I think you could put like cheese and crackers or carrot sticks and ranch, or probably just won't use that. So I'm going to get rid of that. Here's a little container for avocados. Just an old jar that I won't use anymore. Some kids' plates. Another little carrot ranch container. This is a spiralizer slicer for veggies, so somebody can have that. Here's some beaters for the mixer. This is silverware for the kids' plates. Couple of butter knives. More attachments for the spiralizer. I'll put those all together when I set them on the donation table. Here's a little plug-in for charging your phone. This is for the spiralizer as well, just a little attachment. Just an extra little container that I don't use. These are some knives. I don't know if I should put these on the donation table. So I think I might wait on these, but here's some tongs. So this is what I decided to keep, my little creme brulee dishes and my torch. I think I want to start using this for, you know, we don't have a great broiler in our oven, so maybe I can just use the torch and, you know, do the tops of food items. But yeah, I'm going to decide to keep this along with the creme brulee plates because I want to try that. Gonna get rid of this butter dish. It's actually to put your butter in and set it on your counter. You would put ice water at the bottom of this and then put your butter up in that little piece, but this is a nice little item. Some balance sheets I no longer use. I'm starting to use cleaner items now, so I wanted to, I know there's a lot of chemicals in balance, which is fine for some people, but I'm going to donate those. This is a cute little shirt that I'm going to donate. It's just too short for me is all, but it's a nice little top for someone, so I'm going to donate that. This is a where you put your tin foil in and your, I'm trying to figure out how to open it again. Oh, it slides open, you put your tin foil and your cling wrap in there, and it has the little cutters. I just decided that wasn't practical for my drawer. I have it set up a little bit different, but this is nice. You can actually hang it on the wall as well. So that'll be nice for someone. Here's some more sheets that I don't use. Again, here's a flat sheet that someone can use, I'm sure. Here's some pillowcases I no longer use, so I'm gonna go ahead and store those. Or excuse me, donate those. Here's a nice little spatula for cooking. I have this air wick where you can put fresheners in here. I'll give them the batteries. And then you just push it up here and it goes off. Well, it goes off. You can set it to so many minutes to go off for freshener. So I'm going to give that away. Again, another sheet set. This is actually really nice. It's a purple brand and it's nice and good quality, but it's the flat sheet we will never use. So I'm going to go ahead and give that away to someone who needs it. Well, and then this, I got a new one of these. It's okay, but it's a little bit heavy in my outlets. But it is a warmer. I have the lid part somewhere. Oh, there it is. So here's the lid where you would put your popper or your little candle melts. And then you plug it in. Here's the on-off. Works great. I just preferred a different one. So that'll be cute for someone. These are some readers that I don't wear anymore. They're really cute, and I thought somebody could find some use for those. These are actually outlet fresheners that I don't use anymore. I've been using the air wick in my laundry room. The one that you plug in, it has a long cord. But anyways, I don't use these any longer, so maybe somebody can use these. This is a really cute lantern that I decided to donate. Just can't find a use for this. I've actually moved on to different decor items, so I'm going to go ahead and donate this. This will go fast because this is a cute one I got from Hobby Lobby, but somebody else can use it. All right. right, getting full. I may have to switch totes. Some more pillowcases, and they're still in great shape. Again, I bought some new ones that I like better, so those can go in here as well. This is a dress that I bought from, I think, Temu, and it's cute, but I was hoping it was a denim dress, but it's painted on. See, the denim is painted on. So, and that may be okay for some people. I just prefer the actual denim. So that'll be cute. That's brand new, so that'll be cute for someone. Here's an old loaf pan. Again, it's usable. Maybe somebody could use it for camping, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Some Bona hardwood floor polish. I don't use this. I just prefer the old cedar mop and my other cleaner, so I'm going to go ahead and donate this. Okay guys, there's one box ready to go. Okay, a couple other things. I decided I didn't want this calendar, and it's still good. It's April on, so people can still use it for this year. So I'm going to go ahead and donate that. This is a cute little notebook. People can put paper in, and I love the colors, but I'm just finding I'm not using it, so I'm going to donate that. This is some vinyl paper. Maybe somebody can use it for crafting, but I'm going to go ahead and donate this, as I'm going to find something different for what I was going to use. But yeah, still kind of a cute little design. It has bling in it. So I'm going to donate that. Here's some bowls that I don't use anymore. So just a little, is this Pyrex? I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a Pyrex bowl. Really cute. I've used it for a lot of things, but just probably won't use this anymore. Same with this little bowl. It's really cute, but somebody will probably find some cute little uses for these bowls. This one is square, and I've been loving it, but again, I think I'll donate it. I just have plenty, don't need any more. I have my pot and pan set that I got from Walmart a while back, but I do have the set that I want now, so I'm going to donate the whole set. So I've got the pot, the skillets. I got 3 skillets, a big pot, and a pan. So pretty good shape still. But I'm going to go ahead and donate that as well. That'll be nice for someone for sure. Okay, let me put this back here so I don't get all funky. Here is the lids for that pan set. I was debating on doing this. This is my Live, Laugh, Love sign. I've had it forever, but I think it's time to let it go. It does have a little sentimental value, but you know, if we kept everything that was sentimental, it would be a very cluttered house. So I'm going to go ahead and let this go, but it's a really cute picture for someone, so I'm going to donate that. Sometimes you just got to move ahead. There you go. guys, I got the guest room all clean. I got all of my declutter ready to donate. But yeah, look how clean and pretty this is. My vacuum worked amazing in here, so I'm very happy with that. And yeah, I'll show you. This is the declutter. I got a big tote here full and a box full. Now this doesn't even come close to what I have decluttered this year. I've been taking it down to my sister's for her donation table as I get it. But a lot of this was from the kitchen, the last thing I decluttered. And yeah, I'm getting rid of quite a bit. So very proud of myself. This concludes the whole declutter series for my upstairs. I'm going to later this year do a basement declutter, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is all going. Yay! Bye-bye. All right, guys. So thanks so much for joining me on today's cleaning video and showing you what I am decluttering from my upstairs and kitchen area. So yeah, that completes the upstairs. So I'm so happy. But I hope you'll join me for the next cleaning video. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.